All right, so let's get started trading options for weekly income. We're super excited to share this strategy with you. There is a few things that you're going to learn today, starting with how we routinely make over 40% return on investment in less than 7 days. We're going to teach you our top 2 strategies that we use to produce weekly income. And yes, they are IRA eligible, which is awesome. You can trade these in both a margin account or an IRA or a cash account, any type of account, as long as you can trade risk-defined spreads, you're going to be able to trade these. So excellent news for everyone there. Next, we're going to talk about the 3 most profitable symbols that we trade for weekly income. All symbols are not created equally, so we're going to talk about the 3 that we trade. Next, we're going to give you the exact entry and exit criteria to maximize your profits and minimize risk. Just like all of our other strategy courses, we hold nothing back. We're going to show you exactly step-by-step how to enter and exit these trades. We're going to show you the best way to trade for a small account for weekly income. We have some members with very large account, $1 million, 7-figure accounts. We have a lot of members with smaller accounts. So we want to make sure that you understand how to trade this in a small account or a large account. You can start as small as you need to, and you can scale up as large as you want to as well. And then lastly, we're going to talk about how to reduce taxes on your trading profits by more than 50%. So let's get started. But before we do, as always, we have to have a risk disclosure, letting you know we are not financial advisors. We're not broker-dealers. We are not here to give you advice. None of the symbols or trades or anything in here should be taken as trade recommendations. You should only trade with amounts that you are willing to lose. Just because we show you something that has a good performance in the past doesn't mean necessarily that is going to perform the same way in the future. And then lastly, this is copywritten. No part of this presentation may be copied, recorded, or rebroadcasted in any form without our prior written consent. Basically, this is ours and it's not yours, so please be respectful of that.